naghahanap na ako niyan.
Sila naghahanap.
Ah, okay.
So dito sa prison, mga pangalan nila.
Okay, sir, here. Oh, congratulations! Congratulations po.
We've been 5 years together and then 4 years just 1 year.
And then you guys decided na, yun, it's time. Okay. Because both of you are ready and probably stable na and all that. Diba po? Si ma'am can afford the, ano na. Yan yung sign eh, diba? It's time to get married if you have a Birkin.
Actually, nag-message din po sa page nyo and then
Opo.
in-inform ko siya. Tapos hindi ako nag-reply. Siya lang po yung
Siya din yung nakipag-communicate for
Kasi
the order.
kasi na ako makakuha ng
Song for the mute, nakilala ka boss eh.
Ang hirap po kasi niya hanapin.
Yes, dito walang mahirap hanapin, boss. Pag nakilala ka. Ayan, sis natin. Style parang ano na siya, bow. Parang yung mga loafers na ano na rin yung dating niya, yung peg nyo. Ganda. Na-fit mo na, boss? Okay naman yung fitting. Sakto po.
Oo, nilakad ko na pati.
Ito boss yung ano.
Hinihintay eh. Naghahanap na ako niyan.
Sila naghahanap.
Ah, okay. Mabuti sakto.
So dito sa prison, mga pangalan nila. We find ways.
We find things for you.
So next time if I'm looking for...
Yeah, if you're looking for anything, boss, just feel free to message us. We'll check it again, source it for you.
Pero dito na ako kukuha.
Yun! Thank you, boss. Salamat po. For running po ba? For walking. On or Luwebe, madam talaga. Pag walking sobrang comfortable. Kasi yung Adizero po, while it's comfortable, the difference is dahil mataas yung sole niya, they're really made for running. So the balance, when you're standing like still, it kind of pushes you a little bit forward. Medyo mataas if you notice po ito. This is an Adizero Adjust White If you notice pa, mataas yung ano niya.
Okay.
Yung front niya. Kasi yung balance po niya, parang energy consumption, pinupush ka forward. So medyo delikado lang, lalo na pag mag-stairs, kasi mataas po yung ano. Yes, walking shoes talaga, or the Luwebes are very, very comfortable. Or even the Salomon Margiela is good, no? Kasi pinag-japan mo yun, diba? Yung Margiela ng Salomon.
Ayun, mga 15,000 steps. Pero sa isang area lang.
Pag-inig ka lang, no? Kamusta, boss? Gusto ni madam, yung OP natin.
Not too sweet, not too bitter. Yung matcha, kamusta? Nagmamatcha ba kayo?
Siya hindi, pero...
Pero yes,
ulat ako.
nag-start ko to.
Ah, galing.
Kami mismo nagtanim yan.
Actually, nagpapatcha.
Boss, maraming
So
salamat ha.
15. Thank you so much po. Ingat sa biyahe.
Thank you so much and coffee.
Yes, thank you. Nice to meet you, boss. Thank you. Madam, nice to meet you. Congratulations again po.
Thank you so much.
Advance. Congratulations.
Pasalubong na lang.
So, ayun guys, sila boss from Canada, si Boss Brian, and Ma'am Mariel, looking for a sneaker na hindi daw nila ma-handle. From Canada, tas Taiwan pa. So that's like Western country, Indonesian country. So it's not really easy to find the source, especially for specific pairs. We couldn't find that one and they found it here in the Philippines. Where?
Siyempre, saan ba? Sa prison.